In this video, we'll compare Anytype, Capacities, Obsidian and Notion, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. When comparing Anytype, Capacities, Obsidian and Notion, each note-taking app has its strength and depending on your needs. Anytype offers a unique approach with a decentralized system focusing on privacy and control over your data. It's great for users who value security and want offline access with a customizable workspace. However, it may not have a large community or integration as some other apps. Capacities is a simple yet effective note-taking designed for individual and team. It focuses on creating structure easy to navigate with rich content type like text messages and link. It's user-friendly but lacks some advanced features found in more robust app. Obsidian is a powerful knowledge management tool known for its linking capabilities. It's perfect for users who need to organize large amount of information and a no-liner approach to note-taking. This app uses Markdown, which offers flexibility and customization, but might have a steeper learning curve for beginners. Notion is one of the most popular note-taking apps, offer a high flexible workspace. It allows users to create database tables, to-do lists, and much more. Notion is known for its versatility and also user-friendly interface, but it can become slow when handling large amount of data and complex structure. If you value your privacy, decentralization type is the best for simplicity and ease of use. Capacities is a good choice. Obsidian is ideal for advanced note takers who love linking and knowledge management, while Notion offers all-round flexible workspace for both personal and team projects. Thanks for watching.